Welcome everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe to watch how this amazing KFC style chicken is made, right from the farm to the factory.
We have a slight fluctuation here in the humidity reading.
Noted. I'll adjust the settings on zone 3.
Careful farming and the strictest standards begin precisely on day 1, right here in the hatchery. All right, Bay 2 is clear. Get that reefer docked now. We're on a tight schedule.
The manifest says 42 modules on this shipment.
Yes, that matches the digital record. Confirmed.
Reading 35.2 degrees Fahrenheit.
Confirmed. Logging now.
We've got a slight discoloration on line 3.
I see it. Let's divert that batch for further review.
Target achieved, 5 kilograms.
Confirmed.
We're showing a delta of 0.05 on the marinade uptake here.
Adjusting the vacuum cycle now.
Perfect. That should keep the Z factor consistent.
Timer looks good on rack 12.
Temperature holding steady at 3 degrees. We are clear for the next rotation.
Bring the next rack over here.
All right, watch the conveyor. The flow sensor readings are stable. Breading mix levels are optimal.
Looks good. Let's maintain this speed. The pressure on line 1 is stable, but we're seeing a slight variance on the oil temperature here.
Right. The efficiency data suggests we need to recalibrate the sensor on line 3.
Check the screen, order 42B.
Got it. 6 wings.
Watch the drumsticks on the left.
The crispness falls off significantly after the 10-minute mark, according
Yeah.
to this graph.
Yes, we need to adjust the oil temperature to compensate.
Keep an eye on the throughput for lane 3.
Got a yellow indicator on the batch codes, noting it now. Looks stable.
All green. Looks good.
The throughput on this line is exceeding targets.
Yes, the utilization rate is holding steady at 98%.
for DAL1, boss.
Good, get it loaded quickly.
The levels are stabilizing right within the target range.
Good, the polymer adjustment is working. Let's check the outflow next.
Sand filter pressure is steady at 55 psi.
Got it. Moving to the carbon filter.
The reading here is steady. See that spike earlier?
Yeah, I adjusted the valve. It seems to have stabilized now. This flow meter reading seems slightly high.
I'll cross-reference that with the historical data right now.
We're seeing a spike in pH right at this intake point.
Yes, but look at the turbidity. If we increase the flow, it should balance out.
From personal hygiene to safe temperature handling, every step ensures our chicken meets the highest quality standards.
As you can see on the panel, the breading process is fully automated to ensure consistency.
Remarkable texture on the chicken.
And the final delivery to the Louisville factory is confirmed here.
Excellent. The traceability is seamless end to end.
The complaint rate dropped significantly this quarter, thanks to the new cooking protocols.
That aligns with the report.
Okay, make sure these go straight to the walk-in.
Got it. Scanning the next batch now.
Baskets down.
Setting the timer for 8 minutes, Chef.
Here is your 16-piece bucket. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
From chick to crispy chicken.
We need to prioritize this across all our supply chains.
And we can't forget the environmental impact.
The new initiative should help us there.
Cheers, everyone.
To the best chicken in the city.
Let's order another bucket.
We use modern farming, strict hygiene, advanced technology, and careful workers to create this crispy chicken.